Hello kids, I hope you all are fine in your home. Before starting our class, let's do the prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrutyorma Amrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Kids, now see here. Okay kids, today's date is 15/08/2020. That is 15th August 2020. 15th August 2020. Today we got freedom from British rule. Today's day we celebrate it as Independence Day. 15th August we celebrate it as Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, we got freedom from British rule. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, they sacrificed their life to give us freedom from the British rule. So this day we celebrate it as Independence Day. Okay, in the previous classes, we have seen alphabets, capital letters, that is A to Z and their phonic sound. Today I am going to show you how to write small letters in 4 lines, and also I'll repeat the phonic sound. Okay, let's see now. I'll show you first writing small letters, then I'll tell you phonic sound and picture words for the letters. Okay kids, see now. In the middle line you have to write it as right here. Okay, this is A. See how to write? This is A. Got it? Next letter is B. See the standing line, then after B again C, small letter C. Next this is D, small D. See now. Next small E. See kids, small E. Next small F. How we have to write? I am showing you. See now. F. Next letter is G. Good. G. Next letter is G. One more. Next is H. See how to write. H. Next is I. Take like this. You have to write. Next. J. See how you have to write J like this. Then K. Like this. You have to write K. Then L. Standing line. Next M. Next is N. Next O. P. See. Here it will come down in small letters P. Next Q. See, this is different. Q. Okay. Like this you have to write. Q. Next is R. This is R. S. See. S. S. T. T. Next is U. See. Okay. U. Okay, after U, next we are going to write it as V. V. See. V. Next, W. See. W. X. See. X. And Y. Z. Okay, in this way you have to write, kids. You got it right? In the same way you have to write it in your classwork and homework notebook in 4-line notebook. Okay. Next we will revise our phonic letters. Okay kids, we have learned how to write small letters in the board. I have shown how to write. Now we are going to study about the phonic sound and words for the letters. For this one is A, capital A and small a. The words for capital A is apple, ant, alligator and aeroplane. The phonic sound for A letter is a. The phonic sound for letter A is a. Next letter is B. The pictures for B letter is ball, bat, baby and bell. The words for B letter is ball, bat, baby and bell. The phonic sound for B letter is b. The phonic sound for B letter is b. Next letter is C. Words for C letter is cup, cake, cat, cow. Words for letter C is cup, cake, cat, cow. The phonic sound for C letter is k. Phonic sound is k. What is C letter phonic sound? If anyone asks, you have to tell k. Next letter is D. Here D letter. The words for D letter is doll, dolphin, duck and dog. What are the words? Doll, dog, dolphin, duck. The phonic sound for D letter is d. The phonic sound for D letter is d. Next is E. Next letter is E. The phonic words for E letter is elephant, egg, eagle, ear. The words for E letter is elephant, egg, eagle and ear. The phonic sound for letter E is a. The phonic sound is a. Letter E phonic sound is a. Next is F letter. The words for F letter are frog, fish, fountain and flower. The words for F letter are frog, fish, fountain, flower. The phonic sound for letter F is f. The phonic sound for letter F is f. Next letter is G. G for gun, G for goat, G for grapes and G for guitar. The words for G letter is gun, goat, guitar and grapes. The phonic sound is g. The phonic sound for G letter is g. You have to remember letter with the phonic sound. G phonic sound is g. Next is H. Words for H letter is hand, hat. H letter words is hand, hat, hen, helicopter. H words are hand, hat, helicopter and hen. The phonic sound for H is ha. The phonic sound for H letter is ha. Next is I for ink, ice cream, insect and iron box. The phonic words for I letter is iron box, insect, ice cream and ink. The phonic sound for I letter is e. The phonic sound is e. The phonic sound for I letter is e. Next is J. Next letter is J. J for juice, J for jug, J for jeep, J for jam. What are the words? J for juice, jug, jam, jeep. The phonic sound for J letter is j. The phonic sound for J letter is j. Next letter is K. Next letter is K. The words for K letter is king, kite, key, knife. The words for K letter is king, kite, key, knife. King, kite, key, knife. The phonic sound is k. The phonic sound is k k k. C and K phonic sound is same. That is k k k. Next letter is L. L for lion, L for lamb, L for leaf, L for lock. L words are L for lamb, L for leaf, lamb, leaf, lion and lock. Next letter is M. M for monkey, M for man, M for moon, M for mango. The M letter words are man, mango, monkey, moon. The phonic sound for M is m. Sorry, I forgot to tell about the phonic sound of L. Phonic sound for L letter is la. The phonic sound for letter L is la. The phonic sound for M letter is m. The phonic sound is m. Next letter is N. N for net, N for nest, N for nose, N for neck. What is N for net, N for nose, N for nest, N for neck, N for nose and N for nurse also. We have words, many words, that is N for net, N for nest, N for nose, N for nurse. The phonic sound for N letter is n. The phonic sound is n. Next letter is O. O for ocean, O for ocean, O for orange, O for onion, O for orange, O for ocean, O for owl, O for orange. Words for O letter is ocean, owl, orange, onion. The phonic sound is O. Next is P. P for plum, P for parrot, P for peacock, P for police. The P letter words are P for police, P for peacock, P for plum, P for parrot. The phonic sound is P. Phonic sound is P phonic sound is Next is Q. Next letter is Q. Q for queen, Q for quill. Quill is a bird. Q for quill, Q for Q. Q. Next Q for quill. The phonic sound is quack. The phonic sound is quack. Next letter is R. R for rat, R for rope, R for rabbit and R for robot. The letter R is R for rat, R for rabbit, R for rope and robot. The phonic sound is r. The phonic sound is r. The phonic sound is r. Next is S. S for sun, S for sunflower, S for ship, S for star. The words for S is S for sun, S for sunflower, ship and star. The phonic sound is s. The phonic sound is s. Next letter is T. T for tree, T for tap, T for tub, T for tiger. What is T? T for tub, T for tap, T for tree, T for tiger. Phonic sound for T is t. The phonic sound is t. Next is letter U. U for umbrella, U for uniform, U for uncle. The letter U is U for umbrella, U for uniform, U for umpire and U for uncle. The phonic sound is a. The phonic sound is a. The phonic sound is a. Next letter is V. V for van, V for violin, V for vase. V for violin, V for vase, V for van. The phonic sound for V is v. The phonic sound for V is v. Next letter is W. W for well, W for watermelon, W for watch and W for window. The words for W is window, watch, watermelon and well. The phonic sound is v. Phonic sound is v. Next is X letter. That is X for Xmas tree and X-ray. The words for X is Xmas tree and X-ray. The phonic sound is zug zug zug. The phonic sound is zug zug zug. Next letter is Y. Y for yak, Y for yellow, Y for am, and Y for yoga. Y letter words are yak, yellow, yam, and yoga. Yam is a sweet potato. Yam, here we call it as sweet potato. Yam. Next, the phonic sound for Y is y. The phonic sound is y. The phonic sound is y. Next letter is Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo, Z for zip, and Z for zero also. What we have? Z for zero, zip, zoo, and zebra. So the phonic sound for Z is z. The phonic sound for Z letter is z. These are the phonic sound you have to by heart, kids. Okay? Okay, kids. In the book they have given talk time alphabet. They have given talk time alphabet. On the pictures they have given the letters. You have to read it in your home. Make a record a video or audio and send it me in WhatsApp group, because this is a homework. You have to do it in your home. For example, H letter they have given. H for helicopter. What is this picture? Helicopter. Same way. K. K means what is this? Kite. Like this. You have to read and record the video or audio and send me. These 4 pages you have to do. Same way talk time alphabet. This one you have to do it in your home. Next, again they have given the words. Okay, this is alphabet revision. What I have done, this one the same thing you have to read once in your home. Next, this is the homework for you. You have to write capital letters and small letters. Thank you, kids. Bye.